Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to set up shipping and fulfillment on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have all of your websites in one place. We have the setup and home. We also have the settings and the design site in the top left and bottom left corner. And the dashboard where we are at the very moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and set up shipping and fulfillment on Wix. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these two steps to know how to do it in no time. So to log into your Wix account, you go to your Wix dashboard where we are at the very moment. Click on settings in the left hand menu and then select shipping and pickup from the drop down menu. When you click on, of course, settings, which you can see here, guys. So you have the settings here in the bottom left corner. Then after that, in the delivery methods section, you'll need to option to add shipping method. So go and click there. So first of all, as I already told you, shipping and pickup, which guys is, as you can see here. Then after clicking there, what you need to do guys is going and clicking on choose and type of delivery method you want to offer, and next you can customize these settings for each delivery method. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you find it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.